chronological record of trials conducted at Heinrich Wagner Sinthal, Bad Laspe. It concerns the testing of a process used in the manufacture of aluminium castings, the specific sample chosen being engine blocks. For the moulding, a cast iron engine block was selected. Conventional HWS HSP moulding machine was employed. This uses the highly successful Shiatsu airflow high-pressure squeeze moulding principle. For this trial, the material used was zircon sand with bentonite clay binder. The purpose of this set of trials was to try out an idea for a method to cast, for example, aluminium engine blocks economically. A realistic assessment shows that aluminium engine blocks would result in a 50% saving in weight compared with grey iron. Let's return to the work in hand. As you can see, the cores are placed into the mould whilst the boxes are lying horizontally. The pouring system, however, requires the mould to be in the vertical position. The horizontal position of the half mould box is advantageous when inserting the core pack. This position will also be used in the future under production conditions, permitting conventional equipment to be employed. Before we continue with the trials, we'll show the casting process in computer animation. For casting in this position, the problem of removal of the core gases had to be resolved. The answer was to provide insulating sleeves in the cylinder zone. The gases are now able to escape without hindrance through these ducts. The preconditions necessary for casting from above using gravity into a mould with vertical division are met. The problem zone at the down sprue and in the lower entry zone require special attention. It's difficult to avoid undesirable turbulence in this area. The effect creates oxides and also pickup of hydrogen. This is the position in which the metal is poured. The arrangement is made up of a conventional pouring funnel and a gravity runner to fill the mould in rising mode. With this method, the feeder is filled with the coldest material. The insulating sleeves on the cylinder cores protrude above the liquid metal in the feeder so that the core gases can escape freely. For dismantling and emptying, the mould with the set casting is turned to the horizontal. The cope box is lifted off and the casting, with the core intact, can then be taken out of the pack. We've produced an engine block which, in appearance, looks correct. The conventional method of casting cannot, however,